You can see here, as the EMA crossover has been taken here. EMA crossover has been given, bullish sign. Okay, and RSI is about rising like this. ATR is down. If down, it may go up. Okay, no need to worry. And MACD also already given crossover. Okay, here already given crossover, and the volume increased here. Volume has been increased. Okay, the resistance at 376.50 here. The stock may go up to 376.50 in coming days, may tomorrow also. Okay, as here the crossover has been taken, so stock may become bullish. Okay, the trend can be changed into bullish. Okay, we can expect a engulfing candle tomorrow. Okay, parabolics are also showing uptrend. Let's go to the 15 minutes chart. Here you can see the resistance is at 359.73. The stock may go up to 359.73 if the buyer shows interest in the stock. Okay, and even it can break these levels, and it may go up to 363. Okay, and here MACD crossover also given. Volume decreased here last 15 minutes candle. Volume has been decreased here, but buyer shows interest, then definitely go up, as the ATR is going down and down, and MACD crossover as already given here. RSI is rising slowly. Okay, and parabolic arc is also showing upside. Okay, let's go to the wait here. Let's see here. Okay, EMAs are okay, going up trend only. Let's go to the weekly chart. Here you can see there is a resistance at 361, as tomorrow is the weekend. Okay, this may break tomorrow. There are chances to break this resistance tomorrow. As you can see, the last week also it touched this resistance, but not able to broke this resistance. This week it may broke. There are chances. Let's see whether it breaks or not. Parabolic SAR is down. Here down. I think the stock took the support here at the EMA, and it will again try to bounce back to these levels, 400 levels. I think it may bounce back up to 400 levels in coming weeks, that is coming months. Okay, chances are there. And here the volume has been increased, and ATR is going like this. It may up based on the buyers and momentum, and the MACD crossover has been given here. It may go up later, it requires some time, and the RSI is flattened and moving like this at 60 is there. It may up. Okay, parabolic SAR is above, that means downtrend only, but trend may change. But the three candles are been forming. This may break 364 resistance and go up higher and higher in coming days. Okay, let's go to the monthly chart. Here is the monthly chart. Here crossover has been given already, and the resistance has been broken, and the support also been broken here. Here resistance broken, here support broken. and again here crossover given, and MACD is up only, here crossover given, and RSI rising, and ATR is flattening and going down, and volume has been increasing this month. Okay, now here you can see here the stock can move from here. In monthly chart the volume has been slowly increasing, but if this candle forms, this month is now only starting night, it's 7th tomorrow, so this month this candle may again break this 360 levels and again turn into bullish trend. There are chances to turn again into bullish trend. Okay, this may go up to 445 in coming months, that is okay. The stock can move. Okay, in daily chart also, as per the EMA crossover in the daily chart, the stock may trend to go up tomorrow. Chances are there for going up tomorrow. Okay, so don't go blindly just that anybody told or somebody told like that. Cross check yourself whether to trade or not, take decision whether to trade or not. Anything which has been in your control should be there. Take a stop loss and all target, fix some target and go for trade if you wish to do or not. Okay, take decision before you trade. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, thanks for watching guys.